Hi, I'm Erin with Erin & Company at Long & Foster, and today I'm here with Bethany in North Chesterfield, and we're excited to bring this new home to market. Come take a tour with us.
One of my favorite things about this home is the family room with the cathedral ceilings.
One of my favorite things is this open kitchen with granite countertops, tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances.
Another one of my favorite things about this home is the private fenced backyard.
Another favorite of mine is the natural creek in the backyard. If you'd like additional information about this home or would like to schedule a private showing, give our team a call today.